Now, b3 was played. It's hard to give white any good advice if b4 were simply helping black to open up the position with a5. So b3 was played. Bishop c5. Hard to give advice, as I said. Queen e5. Queen d8. Bishop d6 is a threat. So rook g2. And we just steal a pawn. Rook a1. Bishop d6. Queen c3. Queen b6. Notice just how solid the black position is, how well the white pawns, for example, are working with this dark square bishop to completely keep his king safe, while the bishop does the defense around his king and will attack white in the future as well. So, h4, bishop f8. Hard to know what to do here. Queen e3, c5. h5, now very simple move. Simple, but, in keeping with the character of the position. Bishop h6. Now, if you take the bishop, then queen b3, some horrible things are going to happen. For example, king d2, queen b2, king e3, rook check, king f4, queen d2. There might be a mate in here as well, but clearly winning the queen's ending the game. So, as it was, white had to play f4, but simply bishop f4. Queen c3 was played, and simply c4. And here, Josh resigned. It's too much. If, for example, he takes just d4, and the queen is going to come, the white queen is going to be diverted, and the black queen is going to enter either on b2 or b3, and mate's going to be given. So I really thought this was an excellent game by black, and I really liked, too, how he decided to press with the black pieces in this two-game match. A lot of players play with the philosophy of just trying to hold with black and then win with white. But this really shows this philosophy of playing for a win with black by analyzing your opponent's games, looking for where they do something kind of strange and where they've done it repeatedly, and then simply studying the position and getting ready for it. And really, I guess a key factor in modern chess is going to be to learn to play something you don't know when you smell a rat. So this is GM Jesse Kraai, hoping you enjoyed the lecture. Bye-bye.